Okay, we're in a beach called Cheoc Van. We got lots of crowds everywhere. Got some beautiful trees, and you got the ocean right there. So we're gonna walk along the ocean, check it all out. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so here we are in Cheoc Van. Today is a holiday. It's a mid-autumn festival, so you see lots of people everywhere. Let's go check it all out. Got lots of it's kind of a holiday, so it's a public holiday right now. So I'm gonna go through a little bit. And this is our entrance. So we're gonna be walking all the way down that way. So you can kind of see through some of these trees right here. And that's the parking lot right there. I also want to share, there's like a hotel right there too, so some people can stay in these hotels. And then we also have a giant parking lot right there as well. And that one I think goes up to the main road right there, I think. So what we're gonna do is just walk all the way down. So yeah, it's Wednesday, the mid-autumn holiday. I think that light, sun might be a little bit bright. Let's just kind of walk down a little bit. So now you can see everybody. Oh yeah. So lots of people are in the shade, so this is a nice shady area right in here. I think that must be, let's see how bright that sun is. I don't know how that's going to affect our camera, the brightness of it. But we're going to walk all the way down anyways. There's the beach right there. Some girls in Vietnamese dress. Just walking up towards the bathroom now, so I can't. They walked past already. There's a lighthouse there. It's really bright. Might have to do a separate video when we come back. It's just so bright that it's hard to capture it very well. So here we got some beachgoers down here. Might be better from this view right here. So now you can see this beach, this one all the way down. So that's kind of our entrance point right there. And then we have, this is kind of like the rocky area in this area. We're gonna keep on walking all the way down. Now we got lots of people over here by the shade, so we're gonna walk all the way down to the swimming pool. So we got little ways. Lots of people in the shade. I don't know how well that's gonna come into the, I think when we film on the way back it'll be a better image. But yeah, this is called Cheoc Van Beach. This is one of two main beaches here. So the other one is Haksa. A lot of people out on holidays today. So yeah, it's a Wednesday, and it's I believe it's August 22nd. I'll put the exact date down below so you can see exactly what it is. Today you'll see a lot of the Filipino community because it's public holiday, so they have the day off of wherever they're working at. Whew, it's sunny. Let me just see if we can capture. So yeah, it's kind of a nice. There we go. And there's a restaurant here. And there's a swimming pool up here too. And then there's a little gateway up there. There's also a trail, Oscar Trail, Cheoc Van Barbecue Park. So I guess that might be all the way that side. I guess you got that little restaurant as well. Let's keep on walking down this way. You got a pool right there. And then we're gonna go a little bit further. And then we're gonna try to jump up on top of that thing. Then we can take a look all the way down. So I'm just gonna jump on this one. And then I'm gonna jump over on this one. I don't know if I can get across or not. Probably could, but we'll just do it like this. So now you can see all the people all the way down. And that's Cheoc Van Beach.